So yeah, I'm Mitchell, director of Signstar, founded in 2008. It's a family business. We started on a coffee table in my flat making signs, and it's slowly just grown over the years. There's 15 of us in total now. We offer a wide range of products, everything from vehicle wraps through to illuminated letters, large format print, installation all over the country. So we had this kind of 610 plotter that we bought for £200 on eBay. Just getting it to do simple tasks was a challenge. Chinese software and just very hard to operate. The reason we got in touch with Spandex was mainly just to improve things like production time, quality, yeah, just general efficiency with our equipment. Being new to the market, we didn't really know where to look for flatbeds, cutting tables, didn't even really know what was out there. I was recommended by a supplier to speak to Adam Booth, who was just really helpful from the start, very knowledgeable, and just kind of held our hands throughout the whole process. We've invested in the Roland flatbed and the Vela blade just to really improve quality, make us very competitive. We're up against online market for things like hoarding panels or any kind of direct media printing, which we've always really struggled to compete with when we're talking about the processes we used to use. Whereas now we've got two simple processes, the quality's amazing, the speeds are really fast, and that's just print it on the Roland, cut it on the Vela blade behind me. It's been game changing. We can now offer a wide range of products. The sky's the limit for us, really. We can print on basically anything flat, which is great. The production times are really good. Having this equipment's given us the confidence to go out and bid for tenders that we haven't in the past. We knew we weren't as competitive as we could be, or some of our competitors on the market, so hopeful that this is going to help us. We've got a tender out for British Heart Foundation, and we've gone in confident knowing that the way that we produce it now is a lot more competitive and the quality is where we want it to be. Yeah, Spandex have just been so helpful, even from kind of the point of delivery and the after support. Quite daunting for us. This is massive commitment and investment for the company, so to have that support throughout has just been amazing. I would say if anybody's looking for any kind of hardware and they're in our industry, then don't hesitate to contact Spandex because they are the guys.